So right along the coast itself, from Boston to New York to Philly to Washington, generally 2 or 3 inches. That was about it. Now 2 or 3 feet, as the blizzard of '96 produced earlier in the week. But some areas did get 2 to 3 feet of snow. Susquehanna Valley area, especially in parts of New York and PA here, we're showing that little purple color that we don't show too often, where at least 2 to 3 feet of snow fell. Now, if you add in the 2 storms, the blizzard early in the week and this big storm later in the week, this is what the snow cover looks like in the eastern part of the country right now. The white areas from Snowshoe, West Virginia, up through Philadelphia, up through New York City and Boston, up to Portland, Maine. We're talking 20 inches or more of snow on the ground as of this morning at 8 o'clock. Some of that's melted away and settled, even down into North Georgia. 1 to 10 inches in the light gray shades. Toccoa, Helen, Georgia, still a few inches of snow on the ground, but nothing like Philadelphia, where you had 33.7 inches for the month of January through yesterday. This is an all-time monthly record for any month of the year, and it's only 12 days old, the month is, so still plenty of time to get plenty of more snow to add to this total. Boston, the same old thing, 41 inches of snow in the first 12 days of the month. This is an all-time January record, and this number, I'm sure, and I'm assuring you that it will go up before the month is over. Now, we've been locked into a stagnant pattern, very stagnant as a matter of fact. Cold, heavy snows in the east, warm weather in the west, but things are going to be changing. We'll show you that in the forecast coming up. Highs yesterday, look at all the warm weather, well above normal. Wherever you see the warmer colors, the oranges, the reds, the yellows, this is where temperatures are well above normal. The blue shows temperatures below normal. So cool in the east, warm in the west for Friday. For today, same thing, very warm central and west, and just about normal to a few degrees cooler than normal in the east. Look at these record high temperatures today. Wichita Falls, 76. Oklahoma City, 74. Lincoln, Nebraska, you got to 70 degrees today, a record high. Denver at 69. Kansas City, 68 degrees today. Valentine, 64, and Waterloo, 56. Well, things are changing, as I just mentioned. The ridge is going to break down in the west. That's going to allow the warmer air to spread to the east. This is why the jet stream will take a pattern now for the next several days that will bring in some moisture into the Pacific Northwest. Ice box, well, sort of an ice box, extreme in northern New England, where an Arctic front will drop some colder air and some snow showers, at least for the next day or so. These were the high temperatures Friday. For example, Washington was 28, Atlanta was 39, New Orleans was 62. And look at what the forecast is for Monday. 75 in New Orleans, 45 in Washington. The snow will melt.